Nnamdi Kanu is discharged. Discharged means you have no case against you. A very responsible government, all they will do is to let that young man go home. Particularly as we have shown in our affidavit evidence and documents that he is gravely ill, has a heart condition, which a specialist doctor has said needs an urgent surgery. And they have no answer to his medical conditions. What they are doing, when they feel that his potassium level is too high, they either increase the dosage or decrease it. So they are just using Nnamdi Kanu as a guinea pig, trial by error. So we responded that there is no question of saying releasing Nnamdi Kanu would bring unrest in the southeast. As a matter of fact, it is the release of Nnamdi Kanu that will bring about peace and tranquility, not only in the southeast, but in the entire country. And I gave the court the example. When the court made its judgment or pronounced its judgment on the 13th of this month, the entire southeast went wild with jubilation. They were drinking, eating, dining, and dancing on the streets for the next 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, from Owerri to Aba, from Umuahia to Enugu, from Onitsha to Abagana, from Umuchu, Ekulobia, Amesi, Uga to Njukoka, from Abakaliki to Enugu, from Port Harcourt to Aba, everywhere. Igbos are happy and they are looking forward to this judgment that once Nnamdi Kanu is released, there will be peace in the southeast. 2023 elections will come very well. I thought, I do not know who advises this government. If I were the advisor, I would say, sir, Mr. President, let my people go. And with Nnamdi Kanu leaving prisons, don't forget, any day they hold him further from 13th of October is illegal detention. We are already going to court with a fundamental rights enforcement matter. So it is releasing Nnamdi Kanu that will bring about peace and tranquility, not detaining him.